Hello, my dears, and this is the class on mock test of S block elements. I am going to give a series of mock tests for all the chapters from 11th standard to 12th standard based upon NCERT syllabus. Okay, in this class, let us see about the S block elements. Okay, the first question is, which of the following is a characteristic property? There are four options given. Option A is and option B is high melting point. Option C is high electronegativity. Option D is low reactivity. We have to find out the correct answer. But the answer is given as A. Why it is A? The first one is low ionization enthalpy. Actually, ionization enthalpy is nothing but the minimum energy required to remove one electron from the outermost shell from the isolated gaseous state is known as ionization enthalpy. Usually, the ionization enthalpy for alkali metals is very low because the electronic configuration. They are with the electronic configuration of NS1. This NS1 is the outermost station of all alkali metals. This single electron can be easily removed because of two reasons. One is effective nuclear charge. Another one is screening effect of the inner electron, that is core electrons. Due to that two reasons, ionization enthalpy is minimum. It means the minimum amount of energy is required to remove that outermost electron. Therefore, it is true. And then high melting points. Usually, alkali metals having low melting point compared to other elements present in other groups. Therefore, it is not true. And high electronegativity. They are electropositive. In the periodic table, the left side is with electropositive and the moving from left to right, the electropositivity decreases and then electronegativity increases. And therefore they are electropositive. This point also wrong. And then low reactivity. They are highly reactive. Alkali metals are highly reactive. Therefore, this is also, for the correct answer is low ionization enthalpy. What is the main reason for the high reactivity of alkali metals? Why it is highly reactive? Again, the same reason. They are with the outermost electronic configuration of NS1. All the elements wants to be stable to attain the stable electronic configuration of the most stable elements of zero group, that is noble gases. Therefore, this alkali metal is also highly reactive. Therefore, it readily gives the outermost electron to form a compound. Therefore, low atomic size. Main reason for high reactivity is electronic configuration now. The presence of one valence electron. Presence of one valence electron, this is the answer. Low atomic size is not the reason. High ionization enthalpy is not the reason. And then high electron affinity is not the reason. The answer is presence of one valence electron. That is, the electronic configuration is NS1. That is the reason. Okay, let's move to the next question. Which alkali metal does not form an oxide directly on heating air? Sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. These alkali metals, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, they can form oxides. Sodium forms sodium peroxide. And all the other metals, potassium, rubidium, cesium, forms superoxide. But the answer is A. Lithium is the answer. Our next question is, which alkali metal ion has the smallest size? This is the question. Four options given. First one is lithium plus, sodium plus, potassium plus, cesium plus. And we already know that the order is like this. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. The size of alkali metals increases from top to bottom. Therefore, the smallest metal ion is lithium. Lithium plus is the smallest. Sodium carbonate is prepared commercially by, already the Haber process is used to prepare ammonia. Contact process is sulfuric acid. Bezimer process is a metallurgic process. Then the Solvay process is the right process which is used to prepare sodium carbonate. Therefore, the answer is Solvay process. Which of the following does not show flame color? That is the answer. Then plus beryllium 2 plus calcium violet color flame, calcium brick red color flame, And the only element which does not show flame color is beryllium and its ion, beryllium 2 plus. So therefore the answer is D. Okay, next let us see which alkali metal is the lightest. Okay, lightest means its mass should be low. Already we can easily understand the lightest metal is lithium. Therefore, the answer is lithium. Which alkali metal has the highest hydration energy? Okay, the highest hydration energy already possessed by the lithium. Lithium readily combines with water to form lithium dihydrate Li2H2O. All the other metals react vigorously. Sometimes explosion may also happen. Reacts explosively, except lithium. Due to its high hydration energy, it forms hydride. Therefore, the answer is E. This is the correct answer. Which alkali metal compound is used in the treatment of bipolar disorder? There are options given as sodium chloride, potassium nitrate, lithium carbonate, rubidium oxide. The answer is lithium carbonate. Lithium carbonate is used in the treatment of bipolar disorder. Therefore, the answer is lithium carbonate. The next question is sodium hydroxide is produced industrially by sodium hydroxide produced by electrolytic process. That process is called as Kastner-Kellner process. Therefore, the answer is B. The answer is Kastner-Kellner process is used for the preparation of sodium hydroxide, which is the electrolytic process. It is prepared from sodium chloride, the common salt. What is the chemical formula for washing soda? The sodium carbonate decahydrate. This is the answer. Which alkali metal reacts with nitrogen to form nitride? Lithium. Therefore, the metal is lithium. The answer is A. Next question is in alkali metal, the reactivity increases from top to bottom, from lithium to cesium. The reactivity increases from lithium to cesium. That is top to bottom. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Bottom to top is wrong, left to right is wrong, right to left is wrong because the element is alkali metals is a group element. Therefore, the elements are arranged from top to bottom. The correct answer is top to bottom. Next question is which of the following is a common compound of calcium used in the manufacture of cement? Which of the following is a common compound of calcium? Calcium common compound which is used in the manufacture of cement. There are so many raw materials used for the manufacture of cement, and which one is the compound of calcium used in this manufacture of cement is nothing but calcium oxide. Calcium carbonate is not directly used. Calcium carbonate is heated to convert calcium oxide, then only it is used for the preparation of cement. Therefore, the answer is B. Next question is which element has the highest boiling point among the S block elements? The next question is which element has the highest boiling point among the S block elements? There are four options given: lithium, sodium, calcium, beryllium. Usually the trend is like this. The boiling point decreases from top to bottom and increases from left to right. Here how the elements are arranged: lithium, sodium and beryllium. This group magnesium, calcium. This is first group and this is the second group. And lithium, sodium compared to sodium, lithium has the highest boiling point. And compared to beryllium and lithium, the beryllium has the highest boiling point. Therefore, the correct option is beryllium. The answer is D. Which compound is known as bleaching powder? Bleaching powder nothing but calcium hypochloride. That is the bleaching powder. That is nothing but CaClO twice. This is the answer. This is the formula for bleaching powder. And next question is which element is extracted by electrolysis of molten chlorides? Calcium, sodium, potassium, all of this. All these metals, calcium, sodium, potassium, these metals can be extracted by electrolysis method. Therefore, the answer is D, all of this. And which is the most stable oxide of lithium? Lithium usually forms lithium oxide, Li. Sodium forms peroxide and all the metals like potassium, rubidium, cesium form superoxide. Therefore, the stable oxide of lithium is this. Therefore, the answer is B. B is the answer. Next question is, which alkaline earth metal shows a diagonal relationship with aluminum? Aluminum, okay, there are two diagonal relationship usually studied in the S block elements. Lithium with magnesium and beryllium with aluminum. The diagonal relationship. Okay, then diagonal relationship is nothing but the property of that particular pair of elements is more closer compared to the properties of the particular elements with the elements of same group. This resemblance is called as diagonal relationship. Lithium is more resemble to magnesium compared to sodium. Like that, beryllium is more resemble with aluminum than magnesium. Okay, therefore the diagonal relationship, the C is the answer. C is nothing but beryllium. This is the answer. Then what is the oxidation state of calcium in calcium chloride? They are calcium is alkaline earth metal. Alkali metal is first group metal. Alkaline earth metals are second group metal. Their general electronic configuration is outermost electronic configuration is NS2. That is the valence electrons present in that particular alkaline earth metals or 2. These two electrons can be easily removed. Therefore, the general oxidation state of alkaline earth metals or +2. Then, which alkali metal is the most reactive? Lithium, sodium, potassium, cesium. Okay, the reactivity depends upon how easily you are removing the outermost electron. Okay, how easily it gives the outermost electron, it determines its reactivity. Therefore, compared to lithium, sodium, and potassium, cesium will readily loses electron because of its larger size. Therefore, the nucleus does not. The answer is D. And the next question is the alkali metal halide that is insoluble in water. Which alkali metal halide is insoluble in water? We have to find out the alkali metal halide lithium fluoride because it is a covalent compound, not an ionic compound. Ionic compound, so sodium chlorides are ionic compound. Sodium chloride and potassium chloride ionic compound, cesium chloride ionic compound, but lithium fluoride is a covalent compound. That means the covalent character is higher compared to other compounds present in this list. Therefore, this is insoluble in water. Which alkaline earth metal hydroxide is least soluble in water? Which alkaline earth metal hydroxide is least soluble in water? Least soluble means here magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, strontium hydroxide, barium hydroxide. The magnesium hydroxide is least soluble. And the compound used in the manufacture of plaster of Paris is actually plaster of Paris is manufactured from the gypsum salt. And the formula for this gypsum salt is calcium sulfate 2H2O. This is the formula for gypsum. And therefore, this is the answer. Which of the following elements has the highest first ionization enthalpy? First ionization enthalpy should be high. Here, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, four four elements given. For all the four are alkali metals. And the size increase due to the increase of size, the ionization enthalpy also decreases. Therefore, lithium is the smaller size. Therefore, the ionization first ionization enthalpy also higher in the case of lithium. Therefore, the answer is A. A is the answer. Okay, my dear students, let us conclude this